Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change this song on the CapCut template. So select the template that you want, and then select use template and select the images that are needed. Select preview, and as you can see, that's the song that they chose. But if you want to change the song, just export, save and share to the TikTok app, and you're actually going to change the audio on the TikTok app itself and not on CapCut. So share it to TikTok and it's going to open up the app like so. Then you're going to select the edit button up here, and then you're going to add a sound, like any sound that you want, for instance super shy, use, and then you're just going to make sure you mute the video here. So there's going to be this mute button, so you're going to mute that button. Press save and just share it to TikTok. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.